Presenting the Honeywell Trueno U1000 Duo, convertible multimedia speaker system. It comes with 4 driver for soundbar and 165mm driver for subwoofer. It has premium 2.1 stereo sound and soundbar convertible into a twin-tower design with wireless subwoofer. It also features seamless connectivity with Bluetooth V5.0 and enjoy uninterrupted audio experience with 10 meters of Bluetooth range. The delivery box contains soundbar X1, remote control X1 and wireless subwoofer X1. Power adapter X1, 3.5mm auxiliary port cable 1.5m X1 and base for soundbar X1 pair. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.